Thank you. Good afternoon. I'm Rosemary Hackett. I'm the CEO of Omnetrium. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I have more than 20 years leadership experience in a variety of companies. I worked at Accenture for over 10 years. But one of my more interesting jobs was working at Midway Games, where I was a CIO. Midway Games is best known for Mortal Kombat, so I have gaming experience. So at Omnetrium, we help banks do three things: drive new accounts, increase stable core deposits, and build robust client relationships. We know that banks struggle to get new customers, and that's a problem for them. The top 3 banks get more new accounts than the next 17 banks combined. And online banks like Ally are growing their core deposits at 3 times the rate of your brick and mortar bank. And also, millennials, 73% of them would prefer to bank with PayPal, Amazon, Google, or Apple. But banks' customers also have a problem. People don't save. Your average person doesn't have $400 to cover an emergency. Yet they spend $70 billion a year on the lottery. That's $300 per adult. More money is spent on the lottery than milk or beer. So people play the lottery because they don't think they have an alternative, but they always lose their money. 67 million Americans are unbanked or underbanked. They're not inspired to save or use banks. So imagine a lottery where everyone wins. A customer opens an account, deposits money, and wins prizes. The bank gets new accounts, increases their deposits, and has an opportunity to engage the customer, creating a network effect. So our platform takes advantage of recent regulatory and legislative changes. In December of 2014, Congress passed the Savings Promotion Act to encourage people to save, and this allows for what's called prize-linked savings accounts. So in May, when I arrived here in Arkansas, it was legal in 21 states. Since then, it's now legal in 23, and 2 additional states. Alabama is just waiting on a governor's signature, and Texas is just waiting on a popular vote. So we believe that states will continue to pass these laws to support prize-linked savings accounts and encourage people to save. In the current market, there's over $5 billion in deposits and over 3,700 banks. And as this market grows, it means the opportunity for Omnetrium grows as well. So the regulatory requirements for this are very simple. Most of the laws just have 3 things. It's got to be a savings product at a chartered bank or credit union, and you have to have an equal opportunity or equal chance of winning. So let me give you an example so you better understand the product. So a customer will open an account at a bank, and they'll deposit $150. And for every dollar they deposit, they get a ticket. And there's a waiting period, so typically 30 days, and the ticket is active. And once the ticket's active, it's available in every drawing until they withdraw the money. And so then a bank will hold a drawing monthly, quarterly, or annually, and maybe give away $2,100 gifts a month, $10,000 gift quarterly, and a $100,000 gift annually. So our product is based on proven products around the world. PrizeLink's case studies have been done in South America, South Africa, and Europe. And really the best example here is called UK Premium Bonds. It's been run by the UK government since the 1950s. And 1/3 of the population participates. That's 22 million people. They have $62 billion in deposits. And they have, in April, they gave away $71 million in prizes. So because it's been around so long, there's been a lot of studies about it. And these studies have proven that these types of programs encourage people to save, are popular across all incomes, age levels, and household types. And most importantly, people have fun when they save. I actually have friends that live in the UK, and they're always talking about the premium bonds that they win. So how Omnetrium works. We have a cloud-based scalable platform to run everything for you. So we do program design and management, account and ticket management. We have an awards engine, and we do performance analytics to measure the success of the program. And really, the success of the program is based on marketing. And so we provide a marketing playbook to help you market the program. So there's 3 steps for us to go live. The first step is to design the program. The system is completely custom configurable for each bank. Once we have the program designed, we put together the marketing playbook. And then we connect to the customer. We either do it directly or through an API like the FIS API. We don't take any customer information. We strictly take a tokenized account number and then data so that we can analyze the success of the program. And we can do all this and be live in 60 days. So our business model is fairly simple. We make money 2 ways. We get a platform fee, and as a bank grows their accounts and deposits, we share in their success. So we plan to market to single, multi-state, and regional banks. We have been working with banking organizations like state banking groups, and we're working to integrate with the technology. Our target customer is a bank that wants to grow deposits, has a consumer focus, and has strong digital marketing and social media presence. So we feel we're unique in this product. We don't know anyone else who's actually bringing prize-linked savings accounts to banks. But there's 3 programs out there that are really good examples to talk about how people like to play games and save money. So you may be familiar with these. The first one is the Walmart Green Dot Bank Card. And what it is a debit card targeted for lower income people where they can save money and get entered into sweepstakes and win prizes. The second example is the Commonwealth.org, which is a nonprofit organization who has been working with credit unions since 2009, since it was legal in Michigan for credit unions in 2009. And so they actually do run prize-linked savings accounts. And they've been working with unbanked and underbanked. And it's proven to increase people's savings and make them understand how to use banks. And so actually in that program, they have 70,000 accounts and about $145 million in deposits. The last example is a relatively new example of gaming and saving. It's called the Long Game. Now, the Long Game is a phone app where you download it and you log in and you put your bank information in it and it transfers your money to Blue Ridge Bank, and then you get tokens and you get to play games with an opportunity to win prizes. But this is really takes money from your bank and puts it in their bank, so it really disintermediates the market. So as I said, we're unique in that we're bringing prize-linked savings programs to banks. We hope to have 5 banks in the first year, 25 in the third, and 50 by the end of 3 years. So through this program, it's been a great opportunity. We really just started meeting with customers when I arrived here, and we've been introduced to so many banks. And so by the time I'm leaving now, we have 3 customers that we're working on proposals with. So I told you a little bit about myself. I've been working for quite a while and saved companies over $50 million, built large teams, and helped increase revenues. And I have a development team with a lot of experience. Both Bill and Manoj have been working on our technology platform, similar platforms for many years. I have a couple of advisors that are very into, I guess, prize-linked savings accounts. So one in particular is Dr. Ben Iverson, and he's a professor at Kellogg School of Management, and he has published research on prize-linked savings accounts and their success. And we're very excited to have him on our team. He's been working with us for a while. And the second one is a CEO of Countryside Bank in Illinois, and he's been working with us from the beginning as well. And finally, of course, the advisors from the VC FinTech program and all the FIS have been great to help us get going. So at Omnetrium, save, win, and repeat. I'm Rosemary Hackett.